good morning, afternoon, evening, based on whatever time you're watching this. So the white thing on my face, that's just for, acne treatment. So if I look like a ghost, I'm sorry I terrify you. Let's get right into this video. Um, it is the 24th? I think it's the 24th. Yeah, it's the 24th of May, 2022. And, yeah, this is my second video. So I took two trades today. No, I took one trade. Yeah, technically I took two trades today, but it was a break-even day. But something very interesting happened. It was on the same pair that I traded yesterday, GBPUSD, and my patience was really tested. Fear of missing out has been the biggest problem I've had in trading, but I was tested and I passed this test. I stuck to my rules, and I'm glad that I did. The crazy part, however, is this would have been one of those few scenarios where fear of missing out would have actually paid off. Take a look. Yeah, so this is what I meant. I get in the market, it's around, the London session. I get in the market, I see this demand. I'll explain more of my strategy later, but I basically trade supply and demand. So this was a demand setup. I'm waiting for price to tap in this demand, and then I can buy. Price gets all the way down here and barely gets even close. It's like 0.01. Well, I don't even know how you quantify that, but it's less than a pip. Doesn't tap into the zone, and then candles start breaking above. Back in the past, I would have entered this trade due to fear of missing out. So that's what I mean when I say, in this case, fear of missing out would have made me win the trade. But I'm really glad I followed my rules, that I don't even care. Because technically I haven't lost anything, right? It's like staying out of a trade is basically preserving capital. A very smart lady said that. So price went all the way back up. We formed another demand here. Price went all the way back up, waiting for price to tap into it. The market's like, no, Barry, you're gonna go with $0 profit today, and then it shoots up immediately. Just look at that, bro. Look at that. Shoots up immediately. That would have been a lot of pips for me because I'm a scalper. But then just look at this. This was the opportunity I had, and you get an opportunity and it's not even as good as the other ones. But I think it's all part of the process, man, right? It's all part of the process. Price forms another demand. I'm looking for another entry. It comes all the way down. I take a trade because it taps into it. I take a trade here. And then I see this supply, which I feel like is going to be a bit of a bother. So I break even once price gets in there because I'm not willing to take profit there. I had primed myself to accept either a break even or a massive profit on the trade. So that's what happened. And price hit my stop loss, and then I had a break even. Now I took a couple of other trades. Oh yeah, so there was news right after. I didn't exactly check the news, so that was quite irresponsible, but thank God I was out of the trade before anything bad happened. So we saw this huge drop, and then I was willing to buy the market, hoping it fill in some imbalances and I'd get a buy trade. So I get in the market. I think I got in pretty late, so that was bad because I told myself I was not going to trade in the afternoon, but I saw this trade when I came in the markets, and I took a buy trade, broke even immediately because I wasn't satisfied, and another one I broke even immediately because I wasn't very happy with the setup. Yeah, so we still saw price get up, and I'm not very, I'm not salty about it because it's fine, man. It's fine. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Just go one step at a time, and the market's always going to be there. Yeah, guys, so that's what I have. You see, as a beginner, I'm starting to realize that if you want to be successful in this industry, you have to think as if you were already successful. See, the successful people in forex trading don't rush into trades. If they do, they know they're willing to accept the risk. The risk management is on point all the time. They don't lose 50% of their accounts per trade. Plus, they have enough capital. I don't have enough capital, but if there's anything I can take away from watching a lot of experienced and listening to successful traders, it's you can tell they're very patient and very, very picky with their setups. And it's because they know there's always going to be another setup. The markets are not going to close. You see, one step at a time. That's all I see. That's the only way I see this working out, taking it slow. And I'm glad that I don't feel salty about the fact that I could have made profits on this trade, because I need profits. I need money, you know. Even though I have a small account, I need money. But I'm putting in enough value on the process as much as possible and mastering the skill. Catching winning trades is good enough for me. So I can call this a bit of forward testing. If there's anything I've learned in the future, trades like this I can take, just not now. So yeah, I'm not gonna trade tomorrow because I have exams the next day. Even today I didn't want to trade much. I just took a few trades. I didn't spend too much time looking at the charts. So yeah, I have exams. It's called cardio and pulmono. I speak French, by the way. Cool, isn't it? So I'm gonna take my medical school exam, and maybe I'll do a time lapse tomorrow and post on the YouTube channel with this video as well. Yeah, but that's all I got for today. Hope you all have a good time. God bless you. Thanks for watching.